Alright guys, today we're changing the oil in my Yamaha Timberwolf 250. The plug is right down here. It's right there. This is a, what the hell is this? A 19mm socket. I loosened it before, so put your bucket under there. I have it close by, and I'll come back when I get the oil drained out. Hey guys, I got the oil draining here. Last time I changed it, which was last summer, I think it was. That was the first time I changed it since I had this. She's dripping now, so I think she's good to go. I think it takes like 1.5 quarts. I don't know. I'm not sure about the half, but it sure does take 1 quart though. What you get out of when you take the plug out, you get this with the O-ring on it. If you haven't replaced the O-ring on it recently or it looks flat, get a new one. Go into you can go into your Yamaha dealership and get and order them there, or you can just go online like I did and order them. The next thing you get out is this spring here with this screen in it, and the big chunks of metal get caught in this, or supposed to get caught in this screen. Well, the first time I changed it, there was almost the whole bottom there was filled up with big chunks of metal shavings. So this is why I'm doing it, to see if there's any more metal shavings in it. Alright, I think we're about done here, guys. She's dripping. You see that? Yeah, right there. She's just dripping now, so I think I'm going to put the plug back in. 19mm socket. I can get my hand back here. Oh wait, no. I gotta put the spring and the screen in it first. Spring and screen going first. Now this shit. Alrighty guys, I dropped the screen and the spring in the bucket of oil there. Hard to fish her out, but the screen goes in first. Or here, I'll take it out, I'll show you. Hopefully I don't drop it again. The screen is first, goes onto the spring. Screen goes in first. I don't know if you can see that. Screen goes in first, spring, and then your drain plug goes back in. See if I can do this without dropping it. God damn it. Dropped it. Guys, I'm sorry about that. I dropped the freaking drain plug in the oil too. Trying to get this on straight. Now you want to put this in straight, as straight as you can. Damn, I dropped the phone. I'm sorry about that, guys. Yeah, try and get this in as straight as possible here. Got my new ratcheting, or got my new set of tools yesterday. I didn't tell you guys that I got those, did I? It's a 150 piece Stanley tool set for Menards. Had it on for $40, but it was regular price $50. My hands are so damn oily that they won't hold anything. I'll come back when the drain plug's back in. Alright guys, got the oil plug, or the drain plug back in it. Put the dipstick out when I was draining it. And I'm filtering my old oil here. It's black, but it was that way when I got the oil new. I'm filtering it because I want to see if there's any, if at all, metal shavings in this oil. Because last year I changed it for the first time that I've had it, and the oil was like sparkly nail polish. That's how bad it was. Yeah. And the filter was so sparkly. But I bought a new filter, thank God, before I changed the oil. So right there, this is okay. I've got just a milk jug here with the top cut off of it. Got a funnel, should have a bigger funnel, but whatever. I got 2 coffee filters in there. Yeah. Here, I'll show you the coffee filters. Like these ones here, you know, that are for your regular old-fashioned coffee pots, you know. And I poked a couple little holes in it, but so it would drain a little bit faster. I'm gonna do this probably about 1 or 2 more times more. Just fill it right up to where the funnel ends there, not overflow it. Don't overflow it over the sides here, you know. But yeah, you can see how she's draining. She's draining pretty good. It's gonna take me a while, but oh well, you know. Might save me on spending $20 or $5 a bottle for oil. I got the old filters for you guys. The old oil filter. I don't know if you can see it, but wait, you can't see it, I don't think. Can you? That big spot right there, that's a piece. See that little sparkly piece right there? Yeah, there you go. You see them other sparkly pieces there? Right there is a whole nest of like, not a whole nest, but a whole spot of just freaking shavings. This whole filter is covered, so this was the old one, when I first changed the oil in it last year after I had it. I don't know, I just like to keep my old shit, you know, in case I need to clean it and put it back on. You know, for temporary, not for freaking forever. I got a little full. Yeah, so I'm gonna be here for quite a while here, as you can tell. But oh well, might save me 10, $20 for new oil, but you know, I'm not gonna change. I don't think I'm gonna change the filter again. No, I'm not gonna do that yet, because there's not even like, what is it, like maybe 6 hours on this oil, if that, you know. But yeah, I'm draining this, and not draining it, but I'm filtering it, and I'm get done with this, then I'll come back.